Hi fellas, this is Kematic Second with the solution. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. Well fellas, today we're gonna study core mathematics problems. Let's get back to the topic. So today's topic is uh, differentiate by using chain rule. So this is the second tutorial. Okay, second tutorial about chain rule. Okay. So what we will do in this video tutorial, we will solve a problem involving chain rule. What things we would learn from this video tutorial? We will learn about some of the basic concepts that are involved with the problems, okay, of chain rule. Summary of this video. Here we will learn to solve an advanced problem, use the basic concepts of indices and surds, apply the easiest steps for avoiding mistakes, solve the math in a well organized manner, apply the chain rule. Okay, so we will also learn about apply the chain rule. So today's topic, today's study question is differentiate this. Okay, today we're gonna differentiate this problem. So let's solve this. So we're gonna differentiate this value. So first of all, let this value as y. Let y is equals to this value 4 2 plus 8x to the power 4. Okay. Now let us let this as u. We will let the inside function as u. Okay, u is equals to 2 plus 8x. U is equals to 2 plus 8x, and as you will know that since this equals to u, since u is equals to 2 plus 8x, so this will be ultimately y is equals to ultimately u to the power 4, 4u to the power 4. Okay, 4, since this is u, so this can be written as 4u to the power 4. Okay, I hope that you have understood. Now we're gonna differentiate y with respect to u. So dy by du will give us as 4 multiplied by 4. This will come forward over here, u 4 minus 1. So this will give us as 16 u to the power 3. Okay, 4 4 is 16. Okay, now let us differentiate u. Okay, now we're gonna differentiate u. So the value of u is 2 plus 8x. So the value, now we're gonna differentiate u with respect to x, which is du by dx equals to 8. If we differentiate to as you all know that if we differentiate 2, this is a constant, this will come as 0, and differentiating 8x will give us 8. So the ultimate answer of du by dx is equals to 8. Okay, now we're gonna apply chain rule. So we can write dy by dx indirectly as dy by du, which we have obtained here, multiplied by du by dx. So as you can see that if we cancel out this part, so we will end up as this dy by du, dy by dx. Okay, we will end up like something like dy by dx. Okay, so now let us substitute the values. So here we have 16u cube. We are substituting the value of dy by du, which is 16 Let me rub this and write this clearly. Let me write this clearly. Okay. So the value of dy by du is 16u cube, and the value of du by dx is 8. So if we multiply, we will end up something like this. 16 multiplied by 8 gives us 128. Okay, and u, the value of u is over here. Okay, we're gonna substitute the value of u over here, which is 2 plus 8x. Okay, since this is cube, we're gonna write this as cube. So this is the value of dy by dx. Okay, so we have differentiated this function over here by using the chain rule. So this is the chain rule. Okay. So this is the chain rule. So fellas, I hope that you have understood the question as well as the solution. By the way, this question was a little bit easier than the first one. So fellas, if you have missed the first part, you may click over here. I will put a link over here, okay, somewhere over here, and you may watch it by clicking over here. This will open in the new tab. You don't need to worry, okay? You're not gonna lose this tutorial, okay? So we are not done yet. We have something to share. We have not done yet, okay? So fellas, it's worth telling that thanks for watching, fellas. I'm really appreciating that you fellas are supporting me, and you fellas are watching my tutorial, and I hope that my tutorial are helpful. Tutorials are helpful. My tutorials are helpful for you regardless of my language, since my speaking is really bad. I know, fellas, and it is really hard for you to understand. Okay, I know your pain, fellas. So by the way, but still you are supporting me by watching my video tutorial. It meant a lot to me. Well, is there any part of this lesson that I have missed or you don't understand? If yes, let me know in the comment section. Please ask question. I'm pleading you, fellas. Please ask question in the comment section. Which part of this video tutorial you don't understand? Please let me know in the comment section. Okay. And also don't forget to give your feedback for this video tutorial. Please, I'm pleading you, fellas. Give your feedback for this video tutorial. Okay. How was it? Was this video tutorial was helpful for you or not? Let me know. and and please give me feedback for this video tutorial. Okay, well, here is the free courses only for you, fellas. You can click here to grab them. Okay, it's totally free for you, fellas, so you may have them by clicking here. You will find many more interesting tutorial over here. It's just a bunch of playlist. Okay, if you find my video tutorial really helpful, you may watch other video tutorial over here. I will, okay, here you will find other free courses. So so if you are not already, be our fellas, be in my team, in our team. If you are not already in our team, so be glad to be in our team by clicking here. Okay, so be a fellas. Okay, so be a fellas. Oops. smiley. Okay, if you are not already fellas, so be a fellas. We would be really glad since our community is growing. Okay, well, thanks. Bye bye.